guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be going over some swatches and doing a review and a try on of the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy collab. I cannot fucking wait to look at this. I have not even opened it. I don't know if you've seen my soft glam review I did, but I opened the palette on camera because I was so excited and I wanted everybody to see my first impressions, and I opened it up and 4 of the colors were shattered. So I am going to open this up on camera and I'm praying that that doesn't happen again. So if you don't know who Amrezy is, I don't know what you're doing with your life, but she is like the Instagram queen. She's absolutely gorgeous. She's amazing at makeup, and she is known for her blinding highlight. So she collabed with Anastasia Beverly Hills and came out with the most perfect highlight out there, apparently. We shall see if that is true. I'm going to open it up and just pray for me that it's not broken. So it looks like this. Oh my god, I'll be so sad if it's broken. Okay. Oh, thank god. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, so it looks like this. It retails off the Anastasia Beverly Hills website for $28, and I think it's worth every penny. I am going to pop it on my cheekbones right now. So I have a Sigma highlight brush, and here we go. Okay, first I'm going to swatch it. So it looks like this. It is a really pretty gold, and it definitely has a little bit of champagne in it, which I like. I thought it was going to be darker than this. So let's see. It's definitely really pigmented. Oh, that's pretty. My eye keeps crying over the palette, so just ignore that. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow. Let's go to town with this. Okay, I don't ever do like a nose highlight, but for Amrezy, I'm gonna. In preparation for the arrival of the highlight, I have pulled a bunch of my gold highlighters. So I'm going to do a side-by-side swatch comparison. So I am doing a swatch comparison of Becca's Opal beside Amrezy. So Amrezy's highlight is always going to be on this side. So there's Amrezy and there's Becca Opal. So this one is the Gilded Honey. So Amrezy Gilded Honey. Jouer Skinny Dip. This is the Dior 003. Oh, that one's a little more yellow. This is the Kylie Jenner Fiji. Here is So Hollywood. They definitely look similar, but you can tell up close that Amrezy's is more like a lighter, like a champagne. This is the Nicole Guerrero and Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is Glow Getter. This one is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the Sweets Glow Kit, and it is called Butterscotch. This one is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dip Glow Kit, and it is called Summer. I feel like that's pretty close. This is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Ultimate Glow Kit, and it is called White Sand. That's pretty close. This one is Makeup Geek's Midnight Sun. I'm going to swatch the ones that I found were a little bit similar. I'm going to put them down my arm and then I will show you guys them all in one screenshot.